Welcome back, everyone. In today's demo, we'll be showing you how to create a reportable XML file within DAC6pro. After you create an arrangement, the preparer is able to gather data within the tool. Let's walk through the process step by step. To start entering the arrangement data, click on the specific arrangement you wish to work on. You'll notice several steps: setup, hallmarks, refinement, enrichment, finalize, and summary. These steps are designed to help you quickly determine the nature of the arrangement and whether additional information is required. We begin with the setup step. This is a quick check to determine if the arrangement is cross-border and if any tax types are applicable that could make it non-reportable. Since there are some exceptions, you can choose to continue the flow like it is reportable still. Next, we move to the hallmark step. Here, you'll find a list of hallmarks that you need to review. Start with the main benefit card, which determines if the main benefit hallmarks are applicable. Then you can go through each hallmark and add comments to assist other users or the client. But please note that these comments are not exported in the XML. At the end of this page, you'll find a summary that quickly identifies which hallmarks are applicable for the arrangement. This feature is particularly useful for the reviewer. Now let's proceed to the refinement step. Here you'll input more details about the arrangement to help determine when and who needs to report the arrangement. You'll enter the description, dates, intermediaries, and taxpayers involved. Then, you'll answer some questions about the disclosing party. Lastly, you'll add the disclosing country. Once you have clarified the reporting parties and countries, you'll move on to the enrichment step. Here, you will provide the remaining data needed to complete the XML file. After filling in the necessary data, proceed to the finalize step. Here, you'll get a final overview to ensure all required information has been entered. As you can see from the summary, I missed filling in a field. I'll go back to that step and complete the missing data. In case any fields are missing, you can activate the highlighting feature by scrolling to the bottom of the screen. This feature will indicate which data is still needed to be added. Once all the required data is complete, return to the finalize step. Now, the summary indicates that I am done, so I can hand the arrangement over to the reviewer. Now, as the preparer, my part is done. The reviewer will receive an email notification indicating that the arrangement has been handed over and is ready to be reviewed. The reviewer will go through the same pages and, if necessary, can add comments for clarification. On the finalized page, the reviewer can either set the arrangement to the next step or reject it, or send it back to the preparer if any issues arise. Once the reviewer sets the arrangement to reporting by us, it will be ready for export. Please note that this does not mean that the arrangement is automatically sent to the tax authorities. The arrangement reporter still needs to export the XML and send it manually to the tax authorities, but we'll cover that process in another video. And that concludes this demo video. We have shown you how to create a reportable XML file within the DAC6pro tool. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. We see you in the next video.